they
We now
toned
return
that
to our
late.
regular programming.
Huh. That was a little... Yeah, that was a little, delayed.
There is a threat of severe weather on the day of
Oh wait,
the
we
test.
should go this way.
It will be postponed until the following week. This concludes this test. We now return to our regular programming.
Hi, Cat.
Forecast for the greater Portland.
Also, leading on the weather for this, I'm probably gonna upload this today, but we currently have winter storm watch. I'm expected to get 10 to 16 inches. Kill me. Yes. I'm actually gonna be kind of excited because it's 10 to 16. I've never had that much before. Oh well.